How to reset Chrome to default settings. When you are facing problems related to Chrome settings and you want to revert them to default settings, then you can reset Chrome settings. It will reset the following things. It will reset your Chrome settings, Chrome shortcuts, set default search engine to Google if you have selected any other like Bing and Yahoo. Home page, startup pages, pinned pages will also be reset. Your Chrome extension will be disabled, and you can enable them when you need them. Also, it will delete all your cookies and temporary site data. But note that your bookmarks, search history and saved password will not be affected. So to reset, follow these steps. Open Chrome and click on three dots at top right corner. Then click on Settings. At right pane, click on Reset Settings. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Here you can see when you reset, it will reset Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable extension and delete cookies and temporary site data. Click on Reset Settings button. Now your Chrome gets reset to default. I am showing in Windows OS, but it works for Mac and Linux as well. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.